Hey guys, so we just left the jeweler and looks like they're going to be able to fix them or adjust them. They said that they've adjusted earrings like this before. They agreed that they were very tight as well because like they opened them because like as soon as you open the earrings, like it's kind of tough to open them, which is great because you want
in
them
1.3 miles, turn left onto Lindbergh Way Northeast.
Which is great because you want them to be pretty tight because they're heavy earrings, but they're so tight that, you know, like she even described having a pair of earrings like that before where they hurt so bad and they give you a headache. So I'm so excited. She said to give her a week, and so we'll let you guys know how they turn out. So we're excited. Now we're on our way to get our nails done. Keyondra got her nails done the other day. It's time for me to get my nails done and to get my feet done as well. So it's a little mini spa day.
To the right. See it on you? I like yours better.
Yeah. This one's like a little more mature, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
They have a mirror right here.
Yeah, they do. So y'all, we are finishing up our day. Kim came to the mall again to search for some this fragrance that she found, and she found another one, and so she's gonna look into it, and she's considering it now. But we're about to go and get a salad because y'all know we on our raw, so about to go get a salad and go home and chill and finish a couple of things for the baby sprinkle. Finish a couple of things for the baby sprinkle and then go to bed or something. Y'all, it is about 10 something in the morning and I'm about to go in here and get my hair done. I actually colored my hair last night, and yeah, I'm about to get it done. Come on, booty.
Does it have lines in it?
Y'all, it is so cold out here. You probably can't hear me. I don't know. Maybe you can. But it is so cold. We're headed to Austin now for the baby sprinkle. And we're about to catch our flight. Oh, it feels so much better. Oh gosh, it feels much better in here. Christmas music still?
Oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you guys because I got my hair cut shorter. And the same girl who cut it the first time, her name's Courtney Pink, on Instagram. She cut it this time and it looks fantastic. I got it cut a lot shorter. It's so chic, it looks so European. I'm so excited about this haircut. I'm excited about my look. I'm excited about everything. And so yeah, I colored it. I did the rinse on Tuesday, I think, Monday or Tuesday of this week. And yeah, so it's black and I'm in business. So we finally made it to the room and it's actually really cute. It's a lot better than we thought it was gonna be. The pictures don't do it justice. It's cute, it's still a little bit older, you know, but it's very cute. It has a rustic vibe. I love these chairs, y'all. Like, these are so pretty. And then the round chairs that they have with the table, so cute. Not a fan of those little beads over there, but you know, we have a nice little patio out there, and then you get to see the vineyard. It's so beautiful. It is amazing. And the bed is cute. This bed is so cute. I'm so excited. It has a little sink in it a little bit, but outside of that, it's cute. Very cute. I'm pleased. Let the party begin.
This is our bathroom. This is the shower that we have. No door, but this is really cute. I like this. This is really nice. I'm gonna do some content in here. I think I brought my Clinique. I might do content for Clinique. Did I bring my Clinique or did I bring my L'Occitane? Okay, either way, I'm gonna do something for somebody, but I gotta do some type of content in here because like I love that like rustic look and I wanna see how that'll look with my skincare content. So yeah, this is really cute, you guys. I think we're gonna have a really good stay and a really good time at the party tomorrow, and we can't wait to show you guys. this is the day of the baby sprinkle, and we are about to get up, me, Mom, and Kim, and we're gonna head over to a couple of stores so that we can get some last minute things, and then we'll head over to the venue, which thank God it's on the grounds of the vineyard, because we would be scattered all over the place, but places are not too far away from where we are. Yeah, we're gonna get up, head over there, and then we will start decorating. Then we'll come back over here and get ourselves together and get dressed. We're really excited because all of our looks are gonna be super cute, and we can't wait to show you guys.
Y'all know that when we say ain't, we're saying aunt. I think that's what we're saying. You know how we say ain't Rhonda, ain't Mama. That's aunt.
Y'all know how y'all always saying y'all eat at such lovely places, and oh, everything's just so spiffy. The food looks so good. This one girl hit me up in my DMs last night, and she said, y'all always eating at nice places. Y'all love fine dining. Baby, guess where we at? Cane's
Fine dining.
About to tear it up.
On these, and then connect with those two at the top.
We are at setup. We are almost done with the table garlands. Our mom is doing that right now. And we were just talking about where we wanted to put the backdrop. We want to put the backdrop on this wall here. I love the texture of this wall. And then we're going to use some of these plants here too to kind of accent it, because it's a plant backdrop, and then so it's kind of going to be like a 3D effect. And then I want to keep this setting here because it's really cute, and of course it's somewhere that people can kind of mingle and hang out. And then the food will be served over there, so they're getting that set up now. It's so nice. It's very lovely out here. I'm so excited. So let's go in here and see what mom's doing. This is our decorating show. Oh, it's looking good.
Everybody in this room has played a very intricate part in our family. And when God does something, I pay attention.
Hi, you guys. Okay, so we really kind of just finished eating, and we were not going to show y'all our looks because we had gotten out of them after leaving the venue. We cleaned up and all of that, and we were so tired, and it's so cold, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. So we went to dinner with Mommy, and then we came back, and Kim was like, I think we need to show them our looks, because they were, wanting to see the looks, wanting to see the outfits. And so I was like, all right. So here we are getting ourselves together. We've put our makeup on, we've done our hair again, and yeah, we're about to show you guys our looks. guys, so we are headed out now. We just finished getting dressed, and we're about to head to some of the stores here in the city and return some of the things that we didn't use on yesterday for the baby sprinkle. Our friend had a successful time. She enjoyed everything and was so surprised and just excited and happy about all the moments, and that's what truly matters. Truly being there for your friends and making sure that all is well for them. And when you're a good friend like that, I feel like God will bless you. And so may God continue to bless her. May she have a great birthing, and may God continue to be glorified. So we're about to head out after going to the stores, and we're gonna go and get us a bite to eat, and then we're gonna head to the airport, and we getting up out of here, y'all, because this weather about to get crazy too. We thank you guys so much for tuning into this vlog, and we hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and we love y'all. Peace.